Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin D capsules for hair growth. First, let's understand its importance. Vitamin D is vital for healthy hair, as it helps stimulate new and existing hair follicles. If your body lacks sufficient vitamin D, you might experience hair thinning or even hair loss. Before starting any supplement regimen, it's always best to speak with a doctor to find the right dosage for your individual needs and ensure it's safe for you. When choosing a vitamin D supplement, selecting the right type is key. Vitamin D3, or cholecalciferol, is generally recommended because it's more effectively utilized by your body. Aim for a daily dosage ranging from 600 to 2,000 international units, but always follow your doctor's advice. Soft gel capsules or liquid forms are often preferred for their superior absorption, helping your body get the most out of the supplement. To maximize the benefits of your vitamin D capsule, take it with a meal that includes some healthy fats. This significantly aids in its absorption, as vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin. Consistency is paramount. Make it a daily habit to see the best results for your hair. It typically takes several months to observe noticeable changes in hair growth and thickness, so be patient and monitor your progress over time. Beyond vitamin D, several other strategies can enhance your hair growth. Complement your supplement with a balanced diet, ensuring you get enough protein, iron, and other essential vitamins. Regular, gentle scalp massages can boost blood flow to your hair follicles, promoting a healthier environment for growth. Also, try to minimize damage from excessive heat styling and harsh chemical treatments to keep your hair strong and vibrant. Remember, holistic care yields the best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.